Hello, hi, namaste. You are watching the Chulo recipe. We're going to make fish curry Nepali style or Indian style. So this is the highlights how we make curry. So if you want to know how to make curry entire, you have to watch entire the video. We sharing you step by step recipe how to make fish curry. So let's get in how to make fish curry. First of all, you have to marination with only salt. Then you can fry in the oil crispy and golden brown. So when you cooking curry, fish will not break. That's why you need to make crispy fish fry. So you have to fry like this golden brown, then keep aside, and then you start to make gravy. This is the how look likes fried fish. Okay, then this is the ingredients to make curry. Add the onion in the hot oil. Okay, then cook some time, then you have to add again ginger garlic paste, most important in the Indian cuisine. Ginger garlic paste, Indian, Nepali and Bangladeshi food. So we first add fish curry, mostly turmeric. Okay, then after turmeric we add some tomato and cook little bit some time, and then cover it. Then you have to put salt and cover it. Salt, it will be cooked very fast in it. So after that, cook 5 minutes. Then you have to add some spices like cumin powder, chilli powder, turmeric. Now we are adding cumin powder. Then we will add coriander powder. Okay, then I'm going to add some chilli powder. Okay, we're just adding 3 kind of spicy, 3 or 4, like turmeric powder, chilli powder, and cumin powder and coriander powder. Okay, then I add also green chilli, fresh coriander. Only simple recipe, not too much spices we're going to add. Only 4 kind of spices. And you want to make curry saucy, too much sauce I need. That's why we're going to add some more water and we'll cook well. So all these ingredients like onion, tomato will cook nicely, and it will become like a thick, little bit thick, not too much thick gravy. Look like this. Okay, then wow, look at that. This is the gravy. So we put fish one by one. We add fish. Okay, then just little more, like 2 minutes to 3 minutes you can cook. So fish absorb the curry inside the fish. All this gravy, it will be go so nice and delicious fish curry ready to eat. So you can enjoy with rice, anything like paratha or something. This is our recipe. You can follow. Thank you for watching Chulo recipe. Then you can fry